Hey guys, it's Jade from Studio Conceal. I have a special video for you guys today because not everyone can afford the stretch mark camouflage tattoo right away. So today I teamed up with my girl gang, Tiffany and Niki. Tiffany is a professional makeup artist here in Scottsdale, Arizona, and she's going to be showing us how to camouflage your stretch marks with body art makeup. I'll be giving you all the details on where you can purchase this. And Niki is our beautiful stretch mark model who also owns an Airbrush tanning studio here in Arizona, and she'll be giving you another solution to temporarily camouflage your stretch marks for those beach vacations, those trips, anytime you're in a bikini. So we'll get started. Today I'm going to be using the Kryolan Derma Color Camouflage Creams, and these are actually waterproof. So I'm going to start by covering up her stretch marks right here that you see. They're very light, but you can still do a little bit of coverage for going to the beach or the pool, or going out anywhere if you're wanting to do any type of coverage for tattoos and things of that sort. You can mix a couple of shades together to make a custom shade for any client. For her, I'm going to be using this shade and this shade. They're a little bit lighter, but they're going to do the perfect coverage for her very white, light shaded scarring. And you just blend it out however you'd like to blend it out. I'm only doing a couple of strokes here to really get it like covered up. As you can see, it is a little bit lighter, but you can take any shade to customize it and really blend it into your correct shading. And then when you're done doing that and doing the coat of what coverage you would like for your stretch marks, you'll just take a powder to set it. I added a little bit more coverage for just to cover up any other lines she may have around this area, and I added a little bit of powder just to set it, so when she goes to the beach it has that airbrushed effect for her body. Now that Niki's dressed, I wanted her to explain a little bit about airbrush tanning and the benefits that it can have for your stretch marks and scars.
Yeah, so my name's Niki and I own the Naked Beauty Tanning Salon in Chandler, and one of the wonderful things about spray tanning is that it can actually give you the appearance of tightening and toning up, give the appearance of losing those 5 to 10 pounds that we sometimes gain over the holidays, which are fast approaching here. But another benefit is hiding or camouflaging stretch marks or any type of scarring or anything like that. Now, specific to stretch marks, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but the price point of a spray tan is like 40 bucks, so might as well come in. There's no harm in trying, and if it works, great. If it doesn't, I promise you, you're still gonna walk out feeling wonderful.
Well, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, follow us on Instagram, YouTube. If you like this video, give us a shout out. Let us know if you found it useful. Otherwise, I'll be posting all the information that you need to know about the products and the pricing and where you can purchase it on the next link. So, bye. Thanks, guys.